Welcome to our tutorial about hiding edges. Right here I've got a part with two pockets. Each pocket has a fillet on the inside and outside edges. Let me just show you here. Right-click, select Normal to. As you see, we've got many lines here. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to hide edges to make a drawing less crowded. Let's select File, New, 2D Drawing, OK. Landscape B is just fine. Click OK. Now let's select our part from the View Palette drop-down menu. Let's drag in the top view and drop it about here. Click OK, and let's zoom in a little. Here the pocket is represented by this middle contour. I'm going to Control select the lines that I don't need to see. Okay, this one. Next, let's right-click and select Hide Edge. I see that we missed a few. Let's get those. We'll Control select them. Right-click, Hide Edge. Let's also Control select the edges here. This one, just a few more, this one. Okay. Almost done. And right-click, Hide Edge. Now let's zoom to fit. As you see, our drawing is now much easier to read. And this concludes our tutorial about hiding edges in your drawings.